Hello, dear students, friends. Good morning. Let us see today what is the total length of expressways in a particular state with their names have been suggested during this 2021 and 2025 vision. 1. Ahmedabad Vadodara Expressway 95 km in Gujarat state. Mumbai Pune Expressway 93 km in Maharashtra state. Jaipur Kishan Nagar Expressway 90 km in Rajasthan. Allahabad Bypass Expressway 85 km Uttar Pradesh. Durgapur Expressway 105 km West Bengal. Ambala Chandigarh Expressway 35 km in Haryana or Punjab state. Chennai Bypass 32 km in Tamil Nadu. Delhi Durgaon Gurgaon Expressway 28 km Delhi Haryana state. Noida Greater Noida Expressway just 24.53 km Delhi or Uttar Pradesh state. Delhi Noida Direct Flyway 9.2 km Delhi Uttar Pradesh state. Now, road patterns. What are the various patterns that could be possible to adopt in a particular location or region? This is in fact depending upon the physical features which are existing on the earth in that particular region. For example, railway tracks, nalas, rivers, factories, residential colonies, etc. etc. Among various patterns, the following are popularly being used: rectangular or black pattern, radial or star block pattern, radial or star and circular pattern, radial or star and grid pattern. This is being used by Nagpur Road Plan period for classification of roads. Hexagonal pattern, minimum travel pattern, even any other suitable pattern also may be selected and used and adopted. That depending upon the judicial choice by the engineers. See, now one by one we will see what are the advantage, disadvantage and how it looks. This is the central business area. This is the central business area you can see. If you consider this is the main road, then these are the crossroads. These are all yellow blocks or built up areas. Means the roads are to be connected from the built up areas towards the central business area. In this pattern, the whole area is divided into rectangular blocks as shown in figure of plots with streets intersecting at right angles. The main road which passes through the center of the area should be sufficiently wide and other branch roads may be comparatively narrow. That you can see. Narrow also in the crossroad, whereas main road are broader or wider. The main road is provided a direct approach to outside the city. Advantages. The rectangular plots may be further divided into small rectangular blocks for construction of buildings placed depending upon the total area there. The construction and maintenance of roads of this pattern is comparatively easier than other pattern of roads. Limitation. This pattern is not very much convenient from traffic point of view because at the intersections the vehicles are required to face with each other. Example of such pattern is adopted in India. City roads of Chandigarh has a rectangular pattern. Next, radial or star and block pattern. Here the roads are in the radial way, in the radial fashion. Central business area, these are all the built up areas. These are the radial roads. And further, the roads can be provided in the block system, block pattern. In this pattern, the entire area is divided into a network of roads radiating from the business outwardly In between radiating main roads, the built-up area may be planned with rectangular block. Advantages: vehicles face each other less than block pattern, reduces level of congestion. Limitations: proves particularly effective if two-lane ramp traffic does not have to merge at downstream end of the ramp. Safety appur- appurten- appurtenances such as guide walls, transitions, crash attenuators, and post support bases have not been designed. Example: Chandigarh has rectangular pattern. Radial or star and circular pattern. It is also in the similar way, but only thing is circular. So in this system, the main ideal road radiating from central business area are connected together with concentric roads in the form of circles. In these areas, boundary by adjacent radial road and corresponding circular roads, the built-up area is planned with a curved block system. Advantages: collision can be avoided, increase efficiency of traffic flow. Disadvantages: center line to be properly aligned, approach road should be curved, traffic signs, pavement marking, and lighting should be adequate. Roundabouts improve the efficiency of the traffic flow. They also reduce vehicle emissions and fuel consumption. Next pattern could be radial or star and grid pattern. Instead of circular, it is grid. Change in direction, and because street patterns are the most enduring, physical element of any layout, it could potentially contribute to the systematic site planning and consequently deserves a closer look. You can see central business area, and these are the grids. Advantages: collision can be avoided, keep vehicular traffic safe with a high proportion of three-way intersections, reduce cut-through traffic by similar or other means. It improves the traffic flow in both directions using a Savannah's cellular structure. What are the disadvantages? Islands separating the approach and exit lanes, known as splitter islands, should extend far enough. Traffic signs, pavement markings, and lighting should be adequate so that drivers are aware that they should reduce their travel speed. Similarly, hexagonal pattern. It is provided with a network of roads formatting hexagonal figures. At each corner of the hexagon, three roads meet. The built-up area boundary by the sides of the hexagon is further divided in suitable sizes. Advantages: three roads meet the built-up area boundary by the sides of the hexagons. Limitations: traffic signs, pavement markings, and lighting should be adequate so that drivers are aware that they should reduce their travel speed. Similarly, minimum travel pattern. In this pattern, city is contented by sector, center, suburban center, and neighborhood center by the road which required minimum to connect the city center. Advantages: these types of potentialities, serious crashes essentially are eliminated. Limitations: here also traffic signs, pavement markings, and lighting should be adequate so that drivers are aware that they should reduce their travel speed. Further limitation is intersections can be especially challenging for older drivers. Now, different modes of transportation. The modes of transport describes the way goods are transported. Modes of transportation, as I have already pointed out the introduction class itself: roadways or highways, railways, waterways, airways. Roadways. For proper development of the country, efficient and well-planned network of roads are necessary. Road classified based on different areas of country: national highway, state highway, district highway, village highway. National highway connect important cities of country, carry heavy and faster traffic, width from 7 meter to 15 meter. The speed could be maximum as per the IRC specification 100 to 120 kilometer per hour. Whereas state highway, it connects the national highway and district places, carry medium and fast traffic, width from 7 meter to 10 meter. Here also speed specification is same as national highway 100 to 120 kilometers. District roads, it connects district places and taluka places, carry moderate traffic, width varying from 5 meter to 8 meter, speed is reduced 60 to 80 kilometers per hour. Village roads connect villages to taluka places, carry light traffic, width varying from 3 meter to 5 meter. The road is up to 40 to 50 kilometers per hour maybe. Necessity, merit and demerits of roads we will see in the next class.